Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Norway. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through one of the most stunning countries in the world, where breathtaking landscapes meet rich cultural heritage. Norway is renowned for its dramatic fjords, towering mountains, and picturesque coastal towns, each offering a unique glimpse into the natural beauty that defines this Scandinavian gem. Imagine standing at the edge of a fjord, surrounded by steep cliffs and cascading waterfalls, or wandering through charming villages that seem to have been plucked straight from a storybook. From the vibrant city life of Oslo to the serene beauty of the Lofoten Islands, Norway is a land of contrasts that captivates every traveler. But it's not just the landscapes that make Norway special. The country is steeped in history and culture, with ancient traditions that continue to thrive today. You'll discover the fascinating stories behind the Viking heritage, the stunning stave churches, and the vibrant art scene that flourishes in cities like Bergen and Tromsø. As we delve deeper into this video, we'll highlight some of Norway's most amazing places, from the iconic Northern Lights to the breathtaking Fjord. Get ready to be inspired by the unique experiences that await you in this incredible country. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or a culture enthusiast, Norway has something for everyone. So, let's embark on this unforgettable journey together and uncover the wonders that make Norway truly extraordinary. The Majestic Fjords. Norway is home to some of the most stunning fjords in the world, with Fjord and Fjord standing out as true natural masterpieces. These breathtaking landscapes are characterized by dramatic cliffs that rise sharply from serene, crystal-clear waters, creating a visual spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. As you navigate through these fjords, you'll be surrounded by lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and the occasional sighting of wildlife, making every moment feel like a scene from a postcard. Fjord, often regarded as the crown jewel of Norway's fjords, is famous for its steep cliffs and the iconic Seven Sisters waterfall. Meanwhile, Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is celebrated for its narrow, winding passages and stunning vistas that seem to stretch endlessly. Both fjords offer a unique blend of tranquility and adventure, inviting you to explore their beauty in various ways. For those seeking adventure, kayaking is a popular activity that allows you to paddle through the calm waters, getting up close to the towering cliffs and waterfalls. Hiking trails along the fjord offer breathtaking panoramic views, with routes suitable for all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, the trails provide an opportunity to immerse yourself in the stunning natural surroundings. The UNESCO World Heritage status of these fjords underscores their global significance and the need for preservation. As you explore Fjord and Fjord, you'll not only witness their beauty but also appreciate the importance of protecting these incredible landscapes for future generations. So, get ready to experience the majestic fjords of Norway, where nature's artistry is on full display. The Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are one of nature's most mesmerizing phenomena, and Norway is one of the best places in the world to witness this breathtaking spectacle. But what exactly causes this stunning display of colors? The science behind the Northern Lights involves charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in the Earth's atmosphere. When these particles interact with oxygen and nitrogen, they create vibrant hues of green, pink, and purple that dance across the night sky, captivating all who are fortunate enough to see them. The best time to view the Northern Lights in Norway is during the winter months, from late September to early April, when the nights are longest and the skies are darkest. Popular viewing locations include Tromsø, often referred to as the gateway to the Arctic, and the picturesque Lofoten Islands, where the dramatic landscapes provide a stunning backdrop for this natural light show. Both locations offer excellent opportunities for aurora viewing, with Tromsø also boasting a vibrant cultural scene to explore during the day. For those looking to capture the magic of the Northern Lights through photography, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Use a tripod to stabilize your camera, and set a long exposure to capture the movement of the lights. A wide-angle lens will help you frame the expansive sky, while a higher ISO setting can enhance the brightness of the colors. With a little patience and the right techniques, you can immortalize this incredible experience and take home stunning photographs of the Northern Lights in all their glory. Historic cities and towns. Norway's historic cities and towns are a treasure trove of charm and cultural significance, with Bergen and Oslo standing out as prime examples of the country's rich heritage. Bergen, known as the gateway to the fjords, boasts a fascinating history as a major trading hub during the Hanseatic League. Its UNESCO-listed Bryggen Wharf, with its colorful wooden buildings lining the harbor, is a testament to this legacy and offers a glimpse into the city's past. Strolling through the narrow alleyways of Bryggen, you can almost hear the echoes of merchants from centuries ago. Oslo, the capital city, is another vibrant urban center steeped in history. It has evolved from a medieval settlement into a modern metropolis while retaining its cultural roots. The Oslo Opera House, with its striking architecture, is not only an iconic landmark but also a hub for the performing arts, showcasing Norway's commitment to culture and creativity. Visitors can walk up its sloping roof for panoramic views of the city and the fjord beyond. Exploring these cities also means indulging in local cuisine and traditions. In Bergen, don't miss the chance to try fresh seafood at the famous fish market, where you can savor local delicacies like fish soup and shrimp. In Oslo, the Mathallen Food Hall offers a diverse range of culinary experiences, from traditional Norwegian dishes to international flavors. Both cities invite you to immerse yourself in their unique atmospheres, making them perfect destinations for history buffs and food lovers alike. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the historic charm of Norway's cities. Stunning national parks. Norway is home to some of the most breathtaking national parks in the world, with Jotunheimen and Rondane leading the way in showcasing the country's natural beauty. These parks are not only stunning in their landscapes but also rich in diverse wildlife and unique ecosystems. Jotunheimen, often referred to as the home of the giants, is famous for its towering peaks, including Galdhøpiggen, the highest mountain in northern Europe. Here, you can encounter a variety of wildlife, such as reindeer, golden eagles, and even the elusive Arctic fox, all thriving in their natural habitats. Rondane National Park, Norway's first national park, is equally captivating, featuring a rugged terrain of granite peaks and serene valleys. The park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including rare plant species and herds of wild reindeer that roam freely. This rich biodiversity makes both parks a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. For adventure seekers, these national parks offer a plethora of outdoor activities. Jotunheimen is renowned for its extensive network of hiking trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging multi-day treks, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the stunning scenery. Rondane also boasts popular hiking routes, such as the Besseggen Ridge, which provides breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and lakes. Norway's commitment to preserving its natural beauty is evident in the establishment of these national parks, ensuring that future generations can enjoy their splendor. So, whether you're an avid hiker or simply looking to connect with nature, Norway's stunning national parks promise an unforgettable experience in the great outdoors. Cultural experiences. Norway is a land rich in cultural experiences, offering visitors a unique opportunity to explore its diverse heritage, from the ancient traditions of the indigenous Sami people to the fascinating history of the Vikings. The Sami culture, which has thrived for thousands of years in the northern regions of Norway, is deeply connected to the land and its natural resources. The Sami people have a profound respect for nature, and their traditional practices, such as reindeer herding and handicrafts, reflect their harmonious relationship with the environment. Engaging with Sami communities allows visitors to learn about their customs, music, and vibrant art forms, providing a deeper understanding of this unique culture. Norway's Viking history is another captivating aspect of its cultural landscape. The Viking Age, which spanned from the late 8th to the early 11th century, left an indelible mark on the country. Museums such as the Viking Ship Museum in Oslo showcase remarkably preserved Viking ships and artifacts, offering a glimpse into the lives of these seafaring warriors. Historical sites like the Avaldsnes Viking Farm and the Lafor Viking Museum allow visitors to step back in time and experience Viking life through reenactments, traditional meals, and guided tours. To truly appreciate Norway's rich cultural tapestry, viewers are encouraged to engage with local communities. Participating in festivals, workshops, or guided tours can provide invaluable insights into the traditions and lifestyles of both the Sami and Viking descendants. By immersing yourself in these cultural experiences, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for Norway's heritage and the stories that shape its identity today. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Norway, it's clear that this incredible country offers a remarkable blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. From the majestic fjords of Fjord and Norway Fjord to the enchanting northern lights that illuminate the Arctic skies, Norway is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. We've also explored the historic charm of cities like Bergen and Oslo, where vibrant culture and rich history come together, and delved into the stunning national parks of Jotunheimen and Rondane, showcasing the country's commitment to preserving its breathtaking landscapes. The indigenous Sami culture and the fascinating legacy of the Vikings further enrich Norway's diverse heritage, inviting travelers to engage with local communities and learn about their traditions. Each experience in Norway, whether it's hiking through scenic trails, savoring local cuisine, or immersing yourself in cultural practices, offers a unique opportunity to connect with the land and its people. We encourage you to explore these amazing places and experiences for yourself. Norway is waiting to be discovered, and every corner of this beautiful country has a story to tell. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you inspiring content about the wonders of the world. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope to see you in Norway soon.